Hi. I should turn that light on behind you for the... Hold on. Okay. You want to see some pictures on the computer? See this? There's the computer. Can you see it? Okay. There's the baby. No playing with the keyboard. Let's move that away. Okay, let's open up some pictures. Hold on. Hannah, who's this? Wait. Oh. Who's that?
Mama.
What? Who's that? You're making me look like a liar. Who's that?
Papa.
Oh, that's Papa. He doesn't look like Papa in the other pictures. Is that what you think? Okay, let's look at another one. What about... Who's that?
Mama.
Mama, can you say Mimi? Mimi? What about... Who's that?
Papa.
Who's that?
Daddy.
No, who's that on the computer, Hannah? You're making me look like a liar. Who is that? What about... Who are those kids?
Daddy.
Dashi, and who else? Who's that one? Who's that one?
Dada.
Kayla, yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Who's that?
Papa.
No, that's not Papa. Who is that? That does not look like Papa to me. You wake up confused. You wake up confused. Who is that?
Baby.
You don't... Okay, let's see another picture. You are too funny. What about this one? Who's that? Hello? Do you know who that is? That's Becca.
Becca.
Wait, say that again. Say Becca. Can you say that again? That was perfect. Becca.
Becca.
Say Becca.
Becca.
Yeah, say it again. Becca.
Becca.
Yeah, let's find another one of Becca. There's lots of you with Becca. Oh, here's another one. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that right there? Noonie. Who's that? You're just not gonna hear. You're not gonna humor me today, huh? Hi, Noonie.
Daddy.
Yeah? Can you say baby? You say baby? Hannah Boo. Noonie. Mad scientist. Look at that hair. You look a mad scientist.